Okay, so today we're going to be writing a rock, paper, scissors game that you can play against the computer. So we'll just get started straight into it. So our program will be called rock, paper, scissors game. Won't have any parameters, we'll just play. So first thing we just need to ask for the user choice, whatever you want to, if you want to do rock, paper, scissors. So user choice equals input, choose R for rock, P for paper, or S for scissors. Righto, here we go. So we need to have a computer choice, which is equal to, first we need to import random, because we want to use that random integer. So import random dot random integer 0 to 2, because we have three choices, 0, 1, 2, rock, paper, scissors. So now we need to, we will have to change this later, because it's not going to work with the calculations we're going to use. But for now, we could have a long list of if and else if statements, such as like if. What we could do is we could map these numbers to the corresponding options. So we could map 0 to rock, 1 to paper, and S to scissors, and then have a long list of if and else if, like if user choice is equal to R, and if computer choice is equal to 1, then print computer wins, because 1 would be mapped to paper. But we're not going to do that, we'll do something else. So just for now, say if user choice is equal to R, user choice equals 1. Else if user choice is equal to P, user choice equals 2, and else if user choice is equal to scissors, user choice equals 3. So now we have to change these to 1, not from 0 to 2 to 1 to 3, because otherwise it won't, the maths just won't work later on. So now now that we've got, the program will ask choose R, P, or S, then the computer choice will be chosen, and then we'll have the user choice as a number. So now we need to choose, we need to see who's going to win, so we need to make another function called rock, paper, scissors winner that we can call later on in this rock, paper, scissors game function. So two parameters, we have user choice and computer choice, and that will be grabbed from up here, obviously. So the way we're going to calculate who wins is we're going to have a variable called difference, and it's going to equal computer choice minus user choice. And then we want, after we've chosen our thing and before it says who wins, we want to know what the computer chose, so we need to print computer chose And then we need to have something in here that, we need to format that somehow. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a thing called a mapping list, which is just the things that can be chosen, rock, paper, or scissors. And you can format that by saying computer chose formatted it's a mapping list and it's indexed by computer choice, but then we have to do -1 because computer choice is 1 to 3 and this is 0, 1, 2. So if computer choice is 3 up here, that will be scissors in our mind, but to the mapping list that's out of range, so we just need to do -1, then close that up, sweet. Oh, forgot a bracket. So then if the difference is equal to 0, you print a tie. That'll be the outcome, and we can see that by user choice. If we choose R, user choice equals 1, and if computer choice equals 1, that'll be rock. So 1 minus 1 equals 0, it's a tie. It holds true for any of the choices. Else if difference is equal to 1, we need to print, if difference mod 3 is equal to 1, we need to print computer wins, and that's because we can see that because let's say computer chooses paper and we choose rock, so it's 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 mod 3 is 1, and the mod this helps for any negative numbers that you get by minusing user choice from computer choice. And obviously the opposite is true for difference mod 3 is equal to 2, because that would just mean the user wins if it's just the opposite basically of that one above. Just to give an example, if user chooses rock and computer chooses scissors, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 mod 3 is 2, and again the mod just helps get rid of any negative numbers. So now I've got that. What will happen is the program will ask us to choose a number, rock, paper or scissors. That will get, the computer will choose a number, our choice will get mapped to a number, then we need to call the rock, paper, scissors winning function, with the parameters user choice and computer choice. Then we want it to ask, so once we know who wins, we want it to ask us to play again. So what we need to do is we need to encase it all in a while loop, so we'll have play again equals yes. So while play again is equal to yes, we need to tab all this out so that it's not so it's in the while loop. So while that equals y, all this happens, and then once the game is finished, we want to ask us, we need to ask us if it wants to play again. So we need to reassign the variable play again with input, and we'll just ask the question, would you like to play again? And there we go. So let's try run this. Our function's called rock, paper, scissors, game, no parameters, and run that. So choose rock, paper, scissors, let's choose rock. Computer chose paper, computer wins. Would you like to play again? Yes. Let's choose scissors, computer chose paper, I'll be back. Yes, let's try paper. Oh, whoops. I didn't say yes. So obviously, yeah, we could have put in, would you like to play again? You have to say yes or no, and we could have just put an exception in, but we no need for that really. Let's try paper, chose rock, user wins. Would you like to play again? Yes. Scissors, yes. No, rock. Tie, here we go. No, I don't want to play again. And there we go, that's done.